Let's come across now and look at the European markets this morning. Starting with the UK, no real change from the weekend. It ideally needs to make another high off this low to give us 5 up as a diagonal. If not, we can still drop down to the 7100 area in the UK FTSE. And then looking at the German DAX, I've got this diagonal pattern unfolding to the upside. We've maintained above Friday's low thus far. We can come down 12,019, 11,994 and still maintain this pattern, but I'm looking for a move up to the 12,204 to 12,248. I would like to see it take out the 12,160 area on next before we get a pullback in what should be the wave 2 and then higher. So if you're not long already, wait for the next high and then a pullback, and then we can add to longs or instigate longs if you're not already long.